Hello there! This is how to create your own logo on Canva for free. So first thing, just head over to your browser and then head over to canva.com. And then you're gonna find a list of the project types over here. So just look for logo. If you can't find it there, you can just click on these three dots for more. And then look for logo, it should be here somewhere. And there it is, yeah. So just click on it. And then you're gonna have this blank canvas, square canvas in front of you. And on the left side, under design, just look for templates. And then let's say I want something fun for the logo. So I want the logo to be fun. You can choose whatever you want. So if you want it to be more sophisticated or more luxurious, you can do that. So you can just search for whatever kind of template that you want. Let's see. Let's just choose a template from over here. So let's choose this one, for example. And we have different variants of it. So I like the pink one. And once I add it to my canvas, I can edit on this template. So if I want my brand name to be my name, for example, so I can just type my name over here, Omar Syed. Oh, no, not like that. Syed. I can just extend the element a little bit. I can change the font size. I can even change the colors. So let's say I want it to be, I don't know what goes well with pink. Let's just keep it as white for now. And you can also make it right aligned, left aligned, or just centered. You can choose the font. So let's try another font over here. But this font looks pretty good, but let's just this is just for demonstration purposes, so I wanna show you how to change fonts. So you can just click the element and select the element and just move it around. Actually, let's just go back to the original font because this one doesn't seem right with the logo. And then you can also move these elements around if you want. You can rotate them and you can basically edit the template as much as you like. And when you're satisfied, you can just click on share and then click on download. Then make sure to download it as a PNG and an SVG. So if you don't have a pro version, you can just use an online converter from PNG to SVG. But yeah, for the logo, just download it as PNG and then click on download. And now your logo is downloaded. This is how easy it is, guys. Hope that video is helpful.